Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Sweatcoin app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the person icon. Next, click on your profile at the top left corner. From there, access the gear settings. Now, navigate to the help section and click on it. Here, look for common queries related to cashing out Sweatcoins. You may find a question regarding whether you can cash out your Sweatcoins to PayPal or a bank account. Upon expanding this section, you will see that currently, it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. Unfortunately, this means you cannot transfer your Sweatcoins to these platforms at this time. However, Sweatcoin aims to evolve into a currency that can be used for purchasing products online or transferred to wallets like PayPal or bank accounts in the future. For now, you can still use your Sweatcoins to buy products directly within the app. For example, visit the shop section where you will find various sales and specials available through the Sweatcoin app. While transferring your Sweatcoins to PayPal is not possible yet, you can still enjoy using them for purchases within the app. So that's basically how you can withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.